Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to talk about an alternative to the 10x income system program that a lot of people are talking about right now. I did a video on it about a month ago, just giving my thoughts on it, what I thought could be positives and negatives of the system. Now, keep in mind, I'm not a member of the 10x income system, but I've looked at several videos about this program, have my thoughts on it. Now, overall, I do think 10x income system is legit. I do believe that you can make money with this system. People are making money with this system, right? But one of the things that I was concerned about when I did my original video about the 10x income system was, what was the product? Because you can earn, $297 commissions, right? Over and over again. That's the big hype behind it, which is dope. That's good, right? Earning $297 commissions. But my big concern was like, okay, that's nice and all, but what are people getting for $297, right? And I know that it comes with like a website, and it also gives you like discounts to other services from the creator. All right, so the creator of 10x income system, they're like a traffic master, right? They know how to get traffic, cheap traffic. So I guess if you're a member of that, you actually have access to discounts, right, from the creators, her business, things that she offer, right? And I guess you have, once you're a member of 10x income system, you can actually buy, traffic. You can buy traffic from the creator of the system, which that could be cool. A lot of people are making money from that, right? But overall, it's like, okay, so you pay the 300, well, 297, and you get, access to discounts, and you could actually even, I seen where other people were talking about, you could actually, resell some of her services, and that's pretty good too. I like that. That's cool, right? But some people, even include myself, that still wasn't enough for them to want to join and want to really promote the product. So a lot of people are still hesitant on the 10x income system. So I'm going to give you an alternative, right, to that. Another opportunity that pretty much costs you the same and actually might even be a little cheaper in the long run is it's called IPS, Infinity Processing System. I did a video on it a week ago, and basically I am a member of IPS and I love it, right? Why is the main reason I love Infinity Processing System is because I love the product, right? What you get for your highest level is at $300. You come in basically the same price as 10x income system, but like you get this training, right? You get this training for $300, one time payment. That's it. So then you get to learn, right? You get to earn while you learn, because the training in IPS, as I said it before, it's legit. It's real training. It's a real course. It's a real system that you can use to generate a lot of money, right? So it's different. I mean, it costs pretty much the same as 10x income system, but like the training inside of it, you need to follow the steps inside IPS, and if you do that, you are setting yourself up a home business. You're setting something up where you can really work online, really make a lot of money, and you really don't need to put out any more money with IPS, because it shows you how to generate sales. Now, some people like the whole 10x income system because they're saying, okay, once you pay your 297, right? If you don't feel like marketing, right? You don't want to learn how to market online, because as far as I know, I don't think you get a whole bunch of training with a 10x income system. If I'm wrong, somebody comment below. Tell me you get a ton of training with 10x income. I don't know. But some people like 10x income system because they don't want to do the work and they're just willing to, pay for traffic. You know what I'm saying? Spend some more money to buy some, traffic packs. And that's totally fine. But if you want to take the route of having a solid product, that when you promote it, you can tell people, hey, if you want to learn how to make money online, learn how to build an online business step by step, right? Then you might want to take a look at Infinity Processing System, because that's exactly what that is. And I feel comfortable telling you about it and promoting about it. I'm using it, and I went through the training, and I'm telling you, it's legit training. They teach you how to promote the IPS system and any other system. They teach you how to do it using Facebook. There's Facebook training. There's Instagram training, right? There's YouTube training, and there's TikTok training, right? All of that, you know what I'm saying? All of that for a one-time fee of $300. And there's lower levels that you can get in at the $50 level and $150 level. You don't get all of the training, but you get a decent amount. But I came in at the $300 level, and like I said in previous video, about 20 minutes into the program, I said, damn, this definitely worth the 300. A, because of the training, and B, because of the income, the earning potential of the system is crazy. It's crazy. All right. So if you kind of was, think about 10x income system and you was a little hesitant or whatever, because of whatever reason, you wanted a system that could earn you just as much money, then you check out Infinity Processing System. You already know it's the first link in the description. And if you do decide to roll with IPS, right, and you got it through me, you went to the link and everything, you sign up, you will have access to me. We can schedule a phone conversation, 15-20 minutes. We can actually talk on the phone, and I'm gonna help you out in every way I can, answer any question that you have. Don't even matter, you come in at the $50 level, the $150 level, or the big boy status. You big boy, and you come in at $300. Once I see you join, you have my contact information, I have yours. I will hook up with you, and we will schedule a call if you want it. I'm here to help you out. All right. So check out the system for yourself. You know what I mean? Don't take my word completely for it. Look at it yourself. Right. And I'll see you on the other side. All right. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.